Hello friends and welcome to our page comgyan.com. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are sharing the business studies project on business environment on the topic women empowerment. This project is completely based on latest CBSE guidelines. You can download the PDF of this project for free from our website www.comgyan.com. So, let's have a look on this project. Women's role in India have been changing and women are now emerging from the past traditions into a new era of freedom and rights. The basic objective of this project is to examine the changing role of women. This concern is not merely academic but is central to the process of emerging development in India. There is a need to critically evaluate the various plans, programs undertaken for women in India and also make a SWOT analysis of the position of women in India at present. The project discusses various issues such as women's role in society, education, health, sports, and politics. It also talks about various issues faced by women in the society. We have also discussed how new technologies have helped women in the society, such as use of washing machines have reduced the work burden and increased efficiency of the women. Today, women have also succeeded as an entrepreneur. Women such as Indra Nooyi and Naina K. Kedwal have succeeded greatly in this field. Women have also been a part of sport. Indian women such as Sania Mirza and Sania Nehwal have done great. With this, modern Indian woman has succeeded in making a place of herself in the society, which still remains male dominant somewhere or the other. The Indian woman still suffers violence, sometimes by their own family members. In the end of this project, the project includes that modern Indian woman has crossed barriers and reached the peak of success. The sex ratio in India still shows that the society is prejudiced against female. Indian women rank top in the list of numbers of professionally qualified women. Indian women account to the largest working women in the world. This includes women workers from a laborer to a surgeon. Let me tell you once again, you can download the PDF of this project from our website www.comgyan.com. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe our page. For more project, do visit our website www.comgyan.com.